It's a little more house-ish.
Oh yeah, they're really good live though too. One of the most surprising bands I've ever seen live.
I mean, if y'all don't go into Stronghold again, y'all know where I'm going.
Go for it.
It's working.
We can handle it. Roy.
It's working.
I'm not.
I
Are you
wish.
pogging?
I wish
Hey,
the.
last time I said I was going to bio, you're like, oh, goodness.
I wish the remotes were as easy.
Yeah, dude. Seriously. But I'm glad that they're not easy.
Yeah.
Also,
There should be like 8 remotes, and you only have to get like 4 of them. So that, you know, you're not just looking for one.
Through a decoy.
Oh, you did? Oh,
Tony.
okay.
Yeah, that was mine.
I was finna say.
That was me. That was me. You always gotta kick me when I'm down.
Guys, I had something really annoying me happen on bio.
You're still alive. You got the card?
So I have the card. I parked the heli out back, and the guy took the heli and just threw it in the ocean and
Oh
came back and just camped his spot.
no!
What a dick. Smart man, though.
So I'm just running. I was running.
Run, Forrest. Run.
Did you throw that smoke grenade?
No, I did not.
There's a smoke grenade that was thrown down here. So, careful.
Chasing me! They know I have the card, so they're chasing me to Stronghold with in a mini or a heli.
Here, I'm coming.
Do I bomb this thing?
No, no, no. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Where you
Oh,
at?
I see guys. There guys
Oh.
are deep.
Help!
There's guys down here.
There's on my ass. They know I
Shit.
have the card.
I think they're waiting on you too. There's some that are waiting on you, possibly. Can I fucking move? Jesus.
Someone rocketed their heli.
He's here,
Oh,
Tony.
Okay.
I'm plugged. Woo! Dude.
There was a guy deep. I'm going to get a UAV. Oh, at the zip. He's floating in. He's on the helicopter. Did you drop? Oh, you did drop the ammo box. I gotta grab that. Nice. I got a kill.
I'm pushing.
Need another UAV. I want to see where this last guy is. They pushing. They running away now. Yeah, they're running their big building now. Oh, there he is. They're definitely a big building. I got another UAV too. I saw people up here. Yep. There's a guy over here. Oh, they're at this loadout. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, there's one right here. One right here.
Someone's here. Hey, he's creeping next to you, Tony. Or Justin. He's down there. I got him. He was creeping.
I know. I saw him. I was like trying to find him.
That guy was a little rat.
Thought he was all fucking smooth and shit. Tony got him though.
Oh no, that was
Oh, that was Troy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I just called out Tony because I thought you were Tony. Because the colors, you two change every game. It's weird.
Got another UAV.
Broke him. Downed him. Dead.
That's a million loadouts there, yeah.
Yeah.
Just watching that loadout over.
Oh, what is that?
Sounds like
living
somebody's
quarters
at CANT.
roof. He's on the roof there.
Big building.
Yeah, big villain.
Broke him.
He's gonna run now. Guy in loadout again. Ah! I hit him a lot.
Level 2 threat, huh? Come and get me.
I ain't coming to get you. I gotta think. If it gets to 3, I'll pop the thing.
Level 3. Where the fuck?
That can't be right. We got a
You
ghost
saw
on you.
it.
Yeah, you got a ghost on you. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's just those guys are. It's the guys up here, for sure. We're gonna have to move though.
That ain't 50 meters, though.
It's probably fringe 50 meters. Or it could be. We need to rotate left, I think, actually. Not right. Like, towards control.
Well, we got it. One is up. And I am gonna go to Nova. So,
Nova? That's the opposite direction. Nova is about to be in the gas.
but I think that's area has less people than what I'm seeing when I'm getting in. I just keep doing the zip. There's a sniper in the second floor there, big building. Left
On the
window.
tower, too. We gotta
Alright,
go.
well, I'm going somewhere. So.
Yeah, we
It's
gotta
either
go,
we
Tony.
to dock. Either we go boat or we go Nova.
Don't care. Let me know.
Alright, boat.
Gotta be careful. Oh, getting aimed at.
We go boat because of the buy.
Yep. Oh, we still out of circle though.
We can move like 2 inches. We're fine.
Yeah, but we're got an uphill fight now. Oh, they're pushing. Oh, no, they're not. I have another UAV too. They're going to push though. They're at the buy.
Who's this one guy? Is this a flyer? Or is there a guy lurking right here? Oh, he's very high. Okay, never mind. Ooh, wow, wow. That roof just
Is there a
lit
zip
me.
over here? No. Oh, there is. Oh, fuck yeah. We're gonna have to go on the gas to do it, but
Do it go to like over here? I'm going orange. Or we can go in tunnel.
Yeah, I'm doing tunnel.
yep.
think I saw someone behind us, but it might be crazy.
We're good. We gotta keep moving. Man, controls, where it's gonna be at. Fuck. There's guys all in here. We're gonna have to fight in prison for sure.
Creep through, maybe. There's. I'm going right through on this side. Guy's above us.
Yep, right above us. Fuck it.
I'm with you.
Knew exactly what I was doing.
He's right there.
Gotta jump down. He's disabled. He can't come back.
I'm roping the right. I'm going right.
Good call. Right back down to where we were. There's gonna be
Is
guys
it Tony?
here. Oh, they just bought somebody.
Someone's on the roof. Sure.
Yep.
We can just chill like right here for a minute. Red laser on me. What the fuck?
That was me.
Oh. Perfectly in the middle of my screen.
He just broke one. Guy just ran in and out. Watching the door.
One just grabbed the ammo. He's in here. Oh. He has a loadout. He's a loadout marker.
Nice.
What the fuck?
Throw it as a distraction. Yeah.
Oh. That's a ship mask. Don't grab that.
It's about what I have right now.
We're in a really tough spot and I'm running.
I got a stim. We're good.
Oh my god, I got
I'm
stuck.
quitting. Stim if you can, Tony.
I can't.
Good.
I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm going to the other side. There's a guy landing on the roof for sure.
Yeah, he killed
It's a
me.
2v1. 2v1.
So he must have landed on the roof.
Just stick with me.
Yeah,
As long as we're stuck together, we're good.
he's up there.
Sticking right here, so they gotta jump. He's gonna stay right up on the roof for sure. If
So
you
the
stay up against the
circle's
wall,
pull
he
down.
can't see us. Yeah, pull this way. Please pull.
I got stuck. No.
It's all good. I'm gonna let him jump. Let me know if he's jumping.
I cannot see him really too much right now. He's still up there.
Bitch!
Yeah, yeah.
What an idiot.
Good strategy, Justin.
I thought I could stick more against the cliff part and the wall, but that wall is so low, and the rocks are so fucky that you can't prone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hate
I totally baited you at the end, but
No, that was 100% what you had to do.
yeah.
I put myself in shit spot. I'd rather have been in two different walls, and one person die and the other person get free angle than both of us same spot. Easy for him to transfer. Easy peasy, Justin. Good job. What a stupid hat on Tony's character. I love it.
Hey, it makes me mean.
Oh shit. Samuel Gerard suffered a broken sternum.
Did he?
Yeah, dude. That's rough.
Diagnosis like 10 minutes after the game ends?
Well, they took him straight